What a beauty this is, direct in off the last lady owner. Just look at it, what an eyeful. Absolutely fabulous looking car. Mini Paceman John Cooper Works. Really does make a statement, this car. £6,255 worth of factory fitted options. It is absolutely stunning. It really is an incredible car. 2013 on a 13 plate. 215 brake horsepower. Little pocket rocket. Just look at it. Let's take you all the way around it to show you exactly what this car is all about. I'll try to remember some of the spec as we go around, but it is all listed on the advert. A real mean looking car. The badge that says it all, John Cooper Works. Finished in black metallic. Just look at that. We'll show that in a few minutes. Nice clean boot area with a load protector there. Additional storage just under there. Lots of storage everywhere on this car. Split folding rear seats. What do you say? Just a lovely, lovely example all the way around. Not many as well, it is four-wheel drive. All four, that's what it means, four-wheel drive. We've just had all these wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated in gloss black, so none of these are damaged, they're like brand new. Recently fitted Goodyear tyres at the front. There's plenty of tread on those. Front fog lights. As I mentioned, £6,200 worth of factory fitted options. So a very, very unique purchase. Not many of these Pacemans about on the market either. So if you want to make something a little bit different, this has got to be the car. So all four-wheel drive. Again, it's got the optional red trim inside. Just sets it off nicely. Harman Kardon stereo. Four-seater car. Again, look at those sport seats. Full leather upholstery. In great, great condition. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells. Again, the driver's seat, the attention to detail with the red piping, the full leather seats in great condition, no damage to those seats. Remember, this is a 2013 car. Centre armrest. So we've got the red interior, that was an option. It's got the chilli pack. It's got the 19-inch upgraded alloy wheels in gloss black, satellite navigation, leather multifunction sport steering wheel, mileage of just 52,502. That's all it's done, 52,502 miles. Keyless start. Nice clear layout. Great stereo on the car. course, the onboard computer, you've got all the full system on there, so you can connect the Bluetooth phone connection, stereo radio, CD multimedia, all the settings for the vehicle. All nice clear screen in front of you. Of course, you can check the vehicle status for the servicing information as well. All clear on the service side of it. Visual display for the parking of the vehicle with the parking sensors. Children climate control. Heated seats. Sports mode. And you've also got heated front windscreen. Great option on the vehicle. Various switches on there. 6-speed manual gearbox. And that controls all the satellite navigation, all the control, the multimedia, stereo systems straight off there.
Radio menu. You can say help or voice commands.
Cruise control, speed limiter.
Voice commands, FM, AM, DAB and DMB, saved stations or tone.
So various voice commands as well, just making it easy and safe to drive. Got onboard computer, giving you average speed, miles per gallon, fuel range and so forth. What a car. We've got 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, HPI checked and clear. Part exchange always welcome. Ask about our great finance offers. If you want something a little bit different, bit of a pocket rocket, this has got to be the one. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve. Collect this car from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery if you so wish. Ask us for further details. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. The lady who traded this car in bought her other car offers on scene. No issues whatsoever. So we did the videos to show you exactly how nice all our cars are, as nothing is left to chance. We have nothing to hide. Full transparency, making buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Any further information, or if you wish to get a fully personalised video of close-up of any aspect of this vehicle, happy to do so. So the phone number again is 01782 822 700. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. So why should you buy your car off me? very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.